Welcome back to Fluent English Power. Today, we're going to cover essential topics like English speaking, writing, understanding, pronunciation, and so much more. So don't miss any of these powerful tips. Let's start right away. Can you easily understand English, yet your voice stops working when it's time to speak? You know the grammar rules and the words, but still, you can't talk smoothly. Relax, you are not the only one. Many students and professionals get stuck at this frustrating level. But here is the major difference. This year is your time to finally break that wall. In this video, I will give you a simple, clear action plan to quickly move your English from acceptable to truly fluent, all without those boring, old grammar lessons. This plan is real, modern, and practical for real life. So please hit the like button, subscribe to Fluent English Power, and let's jump straight into your fluency journey now. Section 1: The Mindset Shift and Clear Goals. The biggest mistake that stops English learners is the belief that they need to be absolutely perfect when they speak. That idea keeps you silent and nervous. Real fluency is about connecting with people, not about having zero mistakes. You don't need to know every single rule or word. You need the courage to communicate. Every time you use the language, even with errors, you are getting better. So stop chasing that impossible, perfect English and start focusing on real, usable fluency. The first step is setting clear, simple goals. Do not just wish, I want to speak fluently. Be specific. For instance, by the end of this semester, I will talk for 10 minutes straight without needing to use my first language. Or, by the end of the year, I will record a 5-minute video of myself speaking confidently. Write your goals down, set a finish date, and monitor your progress. Learning becomes faster when you have a specific target. Section 2: Non-stop daily speaking practice. If you want to move fast toward fluency, speaking every single day is required. Listening and reading are good input, but they don't train your brain to produce output. You must practice making your mind and mouth work together. The simplest way to start is through self-talk. It might feel silly at first, but it works wonders. Describe your actions as you do them. I'm making a cup of coffee now, or I need to quickly check my email. Talk to yourself in English about your thoughts and plans. This builds speaking speed and confidence quickly. Another essential method is voice recording. Each day, record yourself speaking for just 2 or 3 minutes. Discuss a simple topic or a recent event. Then, listen back. You will immediately hear where you hesitate and which words you overuse, allowing you to coach yourself. Next, find a language partner. Look for someone else learning or a native speaker using apps like HelloTalk or Tandem. Even a few 15-minute conversations per week will improve your real-time skills. Finally, join online speaking groups or English clubs. Many platforms offer live sessions where you can practice in a supportive, friendly atmosphere. You don't need to be flawless. You just need to participate and speak. Fluency is built with your voice. Section 3: Mastering natural listening and pronunciation. To sound natural and understand quick conversations, you must train your ears and your voice together. The most powerful technique for this is shadowing. It's easy. Play a short English clip, and as the speaker talks, you repeat their words just 1 or 2 seconds later, like an echo. Do not pause or stop. This forces your brain to listen, process, and speak simultaneously. Next, learn about connected speech. Native speakers often blend words together. For instance, they usually say, "What you doin'?" instead of, "What are you doing?" Understanding these common shortcuts will help you hear fast English clearly. After that, practice mimicry. Select a native speaker you like from a video. Watch a short part, pause, and try to say the sentence exactly as they did. Match their speed, rhythm, and emotion. This trains your voice to follow the natural flow of English. Also, pay close attention to intonation, the music of English, including how your voice rises and falls in questions. Use simple tools to slow down videos or check your pronunciation. The better you train your ear, the more confident you'll feel when real people start speaking quickly. Section 4. Building practical and advanced vocabulary. This is one of the most exciting areas. Building better vocabulary means using the right words in the right way. First, focus on collocations, words that belong together, like make a mistake, and phrasal verbs' verb-preposition combinations, like give up or run into. Learning these makes your English sound much more fluent and natural. Next, always learn vocabulary in its context. Don't just memorize a single word. Learn how it is used in full sentences or stories. This helps you know when it's correct to use the word. For example, the word break means something different in take a break versus break the ice. Also, focus on idioms and expressions, like piece of cake or under the weather. These phrases add personality to your speech. To remember everything, use Anki or other flashcard apps. Create your own cards with example sentences and review them daily for just 5 to 10 minutes. Section 5. Writing as a fluency tool. Regular writing practice is one of the best ways to improve all your English skills, including your speaking. Start with journaling. This is a private, pressure-free way to write about your day or your thoughts. There are no rules, and it helps you practice forming sentences naturally and clearly. Try to write just a few simple sentences every day. Next, practice summary writing. Read an article or watch a video, and then write a short summary using your own words. This improves your comprehension and teaches you how to structure your ideas logically, a key skill for speaking. Also, master email, writing a very practical skill. Always start with a polite greeting, clearly state your main reason early, use short paragraphs, and end politely. Finally, seek feedback on your writing. Share your work with a friend or use tools like Grammarly for quick checks. Don't be scared of mistakes. They are great learning opportunities. Section 6 and 7. Holistic skill development. Reading is a powerful method to train your brain to think directly in English. Choose materials that interest you and are at the right difficulty level. Read parts of the text aloud to connect reading with natural speaking. As you read, highlight useful phrases, and then practice retelling the content in your own words. For job and study success, focus on practical communication. Practice giving short presentations to build confidence and organize your thoughts. Prepare for interviews by practicing common questions and describing your skills clearly. Section 8 and 9. The daily habit and feedback loop. An active feedback loop is necessary for constant improvement. Start with self-correction by reviewing your own speaking recordings. Then, get input from friends or a mentor. The most important step is to learn why you made the mistake, then practice the correct form until it becomes automatic. Finally, build a daily English habit. Focus on consistency without getting burnt out. Start small. Listen to a short podcast while you eat and review vocabulary or write a quick journal entry before bed. Short, fun sessions work much better than long, stressful ones. Keep practicing every day, and English will naturally become a part of your life. To wrap up, always remember why you started, whether it's for a better career, travel, or confidence. Let that goal keep you motivated. Learning takes time and effort, but every small step moves you closer to fluency. Stay patient and keep moving forward. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Share your thoughts below. Together, we'll keep growing and speaking English confidently.